affiliate links. We're gonna look at 10 places you could put affiliate links for Amazon affiliate niche sites. I'm gonna try to show you specific places where like really good websites are using these as much as I can. So I can't show every single example, but I'll do as many as I can so that you can see like in real life where people are putting links. My name is Doug Cunnington. I'm the founder of Niche Site Project. I talk about Amazon affiliate marketing, productivity, and project management. Before we dive in, I want to mention that I do full teardowns for many of the sites. So I'll place links to those videos so you can see the teardowns for the various sites we're going to take a look at. I look at different products and it kind of gives you an overview of, different things that are good and or bad for different sites. So without further ado, let's take a look at the 10 places you could put affiliate links for your Amazon affiliate site. Number one, we're gonna look at the Wirecutter, and the first place you can put affiliate links is in your first paragraph. So the Wirecutter is a New York Times company, as you can see at the top. And this is one of the sites that I've reviewed a couple times. So, thing that we see right off the bat, I just arbitrarily chose this review, the best sheets, and you see they have not one but 2 affiliate links right here, and that's just in the first paragraph. So that is a great place to catch the people that are in a hurry. Now sure, this is a long review, many thousands of words, but some people just want to see the top couple picks and they don't want to read the whole thing. So the first paragraph is a great way to serve those visitors. Number 2 is captions. So we're going to take a look again, same review, just further down the page. We can see that the Wirecutter has some captions. They have basically a featured product box here. It's their own custom box. You could come up with your own if you want to, but basically they have a text link. We could sort of think of this as a caption, and this is an affiliate link. Now, quick note, this is an aside, not part of the caption links, but this button is a link, the image is a link. So just in this featured called out area, they have, captions, they have different colors, they have a blue box, red text, buttons. There's many things calling things out here. There's many areas to call things out here, but I think captions are underutilized. And personally, I don't use buttons, but I often will put an affiliate link in the caption, not unlike the Wirecutter. Number 3, we're going to jump over to another site called Thank Your Skin. And again, this is another site I've reviewed, so be sure to check out the link where I go deep. And as you can imagine, check out this beautiful shiny head. I don't use shampoo, so I thought it'd be funny to look at the best shampoo article here and look at tables. So there are a couple things as we scroll down that we could point out here. So you can put in your table affiliate links, and this is a great area to put affiliate links. Now these specific areas, it jumps down to the different posts and stuff, but basically this table is a way to put an affiliate link. So you could place a button if you want to check the price. Of course, this is a great way to entice someone to go click this link and get cookied, go over to Amazon, because there's intrigue there, right? You want to know, there's curiosity. You want to know how much it costs. Additionally, another cool thing here is they don't put an image, right? So Thank Your Skin doesn't put an image here. And that means that you may be curious on what it looks like. So they don't do this here. But number 4, the 4th tip is, if you placed a column in here, or even in the awards section, if you just had a little call to action that says see image on Amazon. Again, it serves the curious visitor that wants to know what it looks like. Sure, shampoo, it's probably in a bottle. Who really cares what it looks like? But if it's something else like sheets or a pair of shoes or a digital camera or something, people care what it looks like and they want to see the image. So if you put a call to action that serves that, it's a great way to make someone click that link and really be curious about what it looks like. Number 5, images. So we're going to look at football snack helmets. Again, a very popular review. This is actually a public case study. So if you want more information on it, be sure to check out the full teardown and potentially some more information about this site. We'll take a look at the Cleveland Browns snack helmet, which is my wife's favorite team. It's just a family team that they follow. So as we scroll down, this link, this image over here isn't an affiliate link, but they do have this feature box down here, this is an affiliate link. Even though the image is cut off, that is a place you can put an affiliate link. Now, me personally, I don't usually make an image the affiliate link, but it is an option. Some people click them. Number 6 is to place a call to action sort of at the end or beginning of a section. That is what this is. Again, on the Cleveland Browns snack helmet review page, this is a call to action. Get your Cleveland Browns snack helmet on Amazon, and it's in a larger font. I would maybe make it a different color to make it stand out a little bit more, but it's larger and you could tell that it's a link. So that's a great way to place the affiliate link. Number 7 is to place your affiliate links in the sidebar. So this is another really best in class type site, Outdoor Gear Lab here, and we'll see a specific review for the Mountain Hardwear Cloud Seeker jacket. There are affiliate links in the sidebar here. So they have a price listed for different affiliate programs that they're part of, and you can see their affiliate links. So you can compare the prices, take a look. They obviously have an API or some sort of programmatic way to pull the pricing here to adhere to the terms of service for the different programs, but the sidebar is a great way to place it, especially this is a pretty long review, thousands and thousands of words, but maybe you're just interested in seeing the best price and you can get to it quickly right here. Number 8 is an end of post call to action or widget. So again, we're on Outdoor Gear Lab. We're on a different jacket, but this specific review, I won't scroll through the whole thing. Basically, there are not many affiliate links on these reviews for specific products. There's a link in the sidebar like I was showing you before, but they don't put too many affiliate links. And what they do instead is they have this box at the bottom and you could check out, again, different retailers. And this is an affiliate link here. You could also go using this button to see it. Right? Quick call to action. You could place your affiliate links at the end of the post. The advantage is, if someone read this multiple 1,000-word post on a specific jacket or whatever the product is, they're really interested in it. So if they make it all the way down here, they're probably interested in buying the product somewhere. Great place to put it. I would maybe put a couple other affiliate links like in the places we're mentioning, such as, at the end of a section, just to give people, if they're sold on it, they could get over to it easier. These are really long reviews, so I think Outdoor Gear Lab knows what they're doing. They have an early call to action up at the top like I was showing, and then they have one at the bottom too. Number 9 is back to football snack helmets, and they are utilizing this right here. So this is pretty cool. This is an Amazon native ad, and you can see it's really well formatted. They're using the stock image from Amazon. The price is listed. You can see if it's Prime or not, and you also see the number of reviews. So all this information is pulled through an ad system that's created by Amazon, so it's adhering to all the policies with Amazon Associates. That's one of the big fears that people have, that they are listing the price and they're not supposed to, or using an image that they're not supposed to, or listing the number of reviews or something like that. This takes care of it, and you could see ads by Amazon right here. You can tell it's a native ad, and these are responsive. They work really well. You always know that you're not violating any terms of service. These little pieces of code, these little ad segments that you could put in here, you could place those anywhere you want, and they're responsive. They look good on a mobile device or an iPad or a tablet or whatever. So they're going to look all right no matter what the person is viewing the webpage on. Number 10 is something I couldn't find anywhere. So let's go to big screen again. Number 10 is a rarely used technique, but super effective to get a high click-through rate. You put a call to action somewhere in your review that says see real reviews on Amazon, and you can link directly to the Amazon review page for that product. And that's one of the huge values with Amazon, is you could actually see reviews from actual owners, verified owners too. So that's a very powerful call to action. So I like to put this in my user impressions section, and you can't quote or copy the information from Amazon reviews, but you can link to it, and that's again a great call to action. I couldn't find it anywhere specifically on websites to show you, but that's a great way to get people over. Really high click-through rate on those kind of links, and it's a great way to add an affiliate link to your post. Again, my name is Doug Cunnington. If you're interested in learning more about Amazon affiliate marketing and productivity and project management, please subscribe to the channel. Question of the day: where do you put your Amazon affiliate links? Anything that I missed? Any tips? And by the way, be sure to take a look at the comments below. Some of the best ideas come from the community. That's you. And yeah, just check it out. Thanks for watching.